Now I will explain you about the pin configuration of decoder IC. Here you can see that these are the address pins in the left side. 8 and 9 are grounded. Okay, just like in our encoder, same thing. 18th pin is our VCC, 17th is our VT. VT means valid transmission. 16 and 15 is our oscillator, 14 is our data in, and rest is our data out. And rest pins means from 13 to 10 is our output. Here you can see the IC, it's a decoder IC. Notch you can see here, the same thing which I have done here. I will place it like this. This is the left side of the IC, you can see here, and the right side of the IC. This RX is our receiver. Frequency is 434 MHz. You can see I have made the diagram so that it can be easy for you to understand. These are the pins, four pins are there. First is antenna, then 2 grounds which I have shorted, and fourth is our VCC. Then in second part also VCC I have shorted, middle 2 are data, and last one is ground. This is for our receiver, frequency 434 MHz. Now I am going to compare my encoder and decoder. The first thing you have to keep in mind is that the addresses should be same. It means the address which you have kept for encoder should be same for decoder. Then only it will able to generate a communication between them. You can see that I have grounded my 8th and 9th pin in both sides, means in encoder and decoder. So means my addresses are same. Now let's make the circuit on breadboard. Here you can see that I have placed my decoder IC. I have shorted my upper half. Now I am going to put the connections according to the pin configuration which I have shown you. This is my ground. And this is my 8th pin, because we have to connect both 9 and 8 to the ground. This I will connect to my VCC. Now this 330 kilo ohm resistance I will connect in between 16th and 15th pin. I have connected the resistance, you can see. Now I will connect my rest pin. This is the 14th pin, this is for my data in. Now I will put my receiver. You can see I have placed on the other side of the breadboard. All the pins you can see clearly here. Now I will do the connection according to the pin configuration which I have shown. I will connect this to the ground. And there is one more ground on the other side. It means on total 3 grounds are there in this receiver. Now I will connect my VCC for both pins. Now these are my data output lines which are going to show the output. Now we'll place the LEDs. And I will connect this to my data output lines. Connect the positive leg of the LED to the data output lines. In same way connect all. One, two, three, four. All four are connected. Now you have to connect the negative leg to the ground. This part is done. Now there is one more 17th pin, which I have told you that's the valid transmission. So I will place one more LED to the 17th pin. Actually this LED is used to show that whether the transmission is on or not. When this LED is on, this means the transmission is going on. So I will connect this in the same manner. Positive leg to the pin 17 and negative leg to the ground. Now I will connect this wire because I have to short the grounds. Now these middle two pins are for data. So I will connect the 14th pin of our decoder IC to this. First I will short these two pins, and the red wire you can see is for my data, so I have connected this. Now I will place my voltage regulator. It's a 5 volt voltage regulator because we have to give 5 volt input to our IC and our receiver also. So I will place this. As I have told you in previous video also that the first leg is for input and my middle leg is for ground and the third leg is for output. It means we will be getting 5 volt from my middle and the third pin. This is my antenna. I have taken one wire from the antenna. Now let's come to the working. You can see that both circuits are isolated. As soon as I will connect the battery, the LED will glow. The LED which is glowing is for valid transmission. As I have told you before also that it will glow when the transmission is ready. The LED is glowing, it means the transmission is going on. When I will press my switches, see, it's working. It's due to the radio frequency which is transmitted from my transmitter circuit to the receiver circuit, and the antenna are doing this work. Hope you have liked this video. So please like, subscribe and share with all your friends. Thank you.